it is your maths period. Our today's topic is subtraction. Subtraction means take away. Subtraction means left. Subtraction means remove. So now I am going to explain you subtraction with the help of activities. Children's subtraction एक बहुत ही important concept है, ठीक है। और आपको पता है सब्ट्रैक्शन हर जगह यूज होता है। डे टू डे लाइफ में आप देखोगे आपको सब्ट्रैक्शन करना ही करना है। सपोज आपकी मम्मा ने 10 रुपीज़ के साथ आपको मार्केट भेज दिया कि जाओ एक पेंसिल लेकर आओ और मनी बैग भी लाना, तो आपको सब्ट्रैक्शन नहीं आता तो आप कैसे करोगे? आपको क्या पता कि कितना मनी आपको वापस लेकर आना है। तो आज हम सब्ट्रैक्शन पढ़ेंगे बहुत सारी फन एक्टिविटीज़ के साथ कि आपको सब्ट्रैक्शन कभी भूल ही नहीं पाओगे आप, ठीक है। और बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ के साथ करेंगे। इसको नोटबुक में कैसे करना है, वर्टिकल फॉर्म, हॉरिजॉन्टल फॉर्म, बहुत मजा आने वाला है, ठीक है। तो चलिए अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं अपना टॉपिक और फिर आप भी करना घर पर और मुझे बताना कि फिर आपको ये सब कैसा लगता है। सो चिल्ड्रन, एज आई टोल्ड यू दैट वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी सब्ट्रैक्शन. सो सब्ट्रैक्शन एंड द साइन ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन इज दिस. यू कैन सी द हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन. So children, now I am going to show you how we will do subtraction with the help of these things. So first I am having few coins. Look at here. Just count how many coins I am having. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So children, all together how many coins I am having? I am having 12 coins. Okay, from 12 coins I will take away 4 coins. As you can see, from 12 coins I have take away 4 coins. So how many I am left with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. So children, now we will do subtraction with the help of these kidney beans. So first we will count the kidney beans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In all together we are having 10 kidney beans. Out of these I will take 2 away. So how many I am left with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of 10 kidney beans, if I have taken away 2 kidney beans, I am left with only 8 kidney beans. Now we will do subtraction with the help of these colors, crayons, okay. So first what thing you have to do? You have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Altogether how many colors? 12. Out of these I will take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 निकाल दूंगी. I will take away 6. So what number we will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. Children, what is this? Yes, biscuits. So now we will do subtraction with the help of these biscuits. So first we will count the biscuits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In all together we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 biscuits. Out of these, if I ate 2 biscuits, how many I am left with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Altogether we were having 9 biscuits, and if I take away 2 biscuits, I am left with 7 biscuits. 7 biscuits. So children, first we will count these spoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Once again 9 number, and out of these 9 spoons, if I take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 spoons. Earlier there were 9, पहले 9 थी और मैंने 4 निकाली, 4 take away. So how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. So children, now we will do subtraction with the help of these soya beans. It is very healthy for our body. Okay. So now see, we will take greater number now. Up to 12 we have done. So this time we will take a little greater number. So first I am arranging, and if you want you can count. Start counting. Have you counted?
No.
Okay, so now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many soya beans we are having? 15. Okay. Out of 15 soya beans, if I take away 3. So how many left with me? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. मेरे पास पहले कितने थे? 15. Earlier I was having 15, और जब मैंने 3 निकाल दिए, if I take away 3, I am left with 12. Now we will do subtraction with the help of these pens. So first thing what you have to do, you have to count these pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What is 15 called in Hindi? Anyone? 15. So there are total 15 pens. Out of these I will take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Earlier 15 pens, I take away how many pens? 6 pens. So I am left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 15 में से 6 minus करेंगे, so we will get 9. So children, now we will do subtraction in vertical form. So see, tens place and ones place. If you are having single digit like 9 minus 5, this is in vertical form. So if you are having one digit, you will write it in ones place. So 9 minus 5. So how you will do? 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Out of 9, how many you will subtract? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I am left with 1, 2, 3, 4. So 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Now we will do subtraction when we are having 2 digit like 15 minus 3. So children, what you will see? First you will see the number in ones place. So ones place we are having 5 and 3. So 5 minus 3. Do not see this. Okay, so 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. Ones place is done. Now see the tens place. What we are having? 1. So just write 1. So 15 minus 3 is 12. Now when we are having double digit, both the numbers are double digit. Like we are having 27 minus 15. So how you will do? First you will see ones place number. So 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 children? 7 minus 5 is 2. And now you will see tens place number. So tens place we are having 2 and 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So 27 minus 15 is 12. 27 subtract 15 is 12. Now we will do subtraction in horizontal form. So here I am taking 7 minus 3 is equal to what? So here you can draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out of these you have to minus 3. So 1, 2, 3. So 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Children, the standing one, this was vertical form. and the sleeping one, this is horizontal form. So children, now I am going to show you how you will do subtraction in your notebook. Okay, so this is tens and ones. So suppose you are asked 4, you have to minus 4 from 8. So first you will write 8. Which place? Tens or ones? Because you are having 8, a single digit number. So you will write it at ones place. 8, and how many you have to minus? 4. So like this you will do tens place, ones place. If you are having single digit, so you will write it at ones place. So 8 minus 4. So children, 4 and 4, 8. 8 minus 4. How many left? 4. So 8 minus 4 is 4. Now second, tens and ones. So if you are asked 19 minus 5. See, 19 is a double digit number. So the back number, behind number you will write in ones place, and the front number 1 you will write it in tens place. So 19 I have written in tens and ones place like this way. So 19 minus 5. You have to subtract 5 from 19. So just skip this number 1 and look behind the backward numbers. So 9 minus 5 is equal to, can you tell me 9 minus 5? It's 4. So 4, 9 minus 5, 4, and this, the single digit you are left with, you will carry here. So 19 minus 5 is 14. Now I am going to show you both the numbers of 2 digits. So we will take 37 minus 1, 6, 16. So as you can see, 37 and 16 both are double digit numbers. So 3 in the tens place, 7 in the ones place, 1 in the tens place and 6 in the ones place. So 37 minus 16. So hide these numbers. 7 minus 6. Children, 7 minus 6 is 1. And 3 minus 1 is 2. So 37 minus 16 is 21. This is little difficult. We will take another number. So now we will take a bigger number. So 59. 59 minus 23. So children, what you have to do the first step? You have to hide the front numbers. So 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Simple. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6, and 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So 59 minus 23 is equal to 36. Children, now we will do subtraction on number line. So you can see this line, a sleeping line, okay, a horizontal line, and then we will mark numbers. In maths notebook, it is very easy to draw a number line. So suppose you are asked 8 minus 5, okay, and you have to tell me the answer. So 8 minus 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 8. So directly you will go on 8. 8, and then what you have to minus? 5. So पहले 8 पे जाओ. This is your 8. अब 5 minus करो. Minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. क्या किया हमने? What we have done? 8 पे गए and come back to your left. 5 times. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. क्या नंबर आया है? What is the number? 3. So 8 minus 5 is 3. Simple?
Yes, ma'am.
We will take another number. 10 minus 5. you have to tell me the answer. So for first step, what is the first step? You will directly go on number 10. So this is number 10. And how many you have to minus? Again 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the answer? 5. Simple. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the answer is 5. So 10 minus 5 is 5. This is subtraction on number line. This is also very, very easy, children. So children, what we have learned today? We have learned subtraction with so many fun activities. Okay, and we have learned the two form of subtraction, horizontal and vertical. Also we have done subtraction on number line, very interesting on number line. And we have done subtraction in notebook, है ना. It is very important कि स्कूल में जा रहे हो और subtraction के questions मिल गए, करना कैसे है. So we have done subtraction, single digit subtraction, but 2 digit subtraction we have done. So I hope you all like my video. Tell me अगर आपको कोई भी problem है, कोई आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है, तो you can comment me. And do like my video, subscribe my channel. अपना ध्यान रखो. Do good, be good. Bye. Now we will meet in my next video. Till then, take care.